Hello and welcome back. Today, let's say you want to find out what the fraction's lowest term is going to be, right? So you have a fraction, but it's composed of many numbers, right? In the numerator and the denominator. But you want to find out that in the bare bones, what is that actually, or what does that fraction actually look like, okay? Or you just have to pass a test, okay? So let's get on with this. Now, the thing you have to realize about a fraction being in the lowest term is that there has to be no common factor between the numerator and the denominator. Let's say the numerator is a and the denominator here is b. Let's actually see some examples of some fractions in the lowest term, right? Now let's say we have 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is going to be in its lowest form. It is in its lowest form because first of all, there isn't any common factor between 3 and 5. I can't cancel something out of them because nothing actually properly divides out of them. And I can't really make 3 into a smaller number, right? Or I can't actually make 5 into a smaller numbers. Why? Because they're prime numbers, right? Same thing with 7 by 3, right? I can't make 7 like 4 is equal to you can write 4 as 2 times 2. You can't do that with 7 or 3. Reason again, because they're prime numbers. Now let's say we have 2 by 4. It's not in its lowest term. So you can actually make you can even make it even simpler. 4 is equal to 2 times 2. So what you can actually do is cut 2's out, 2's out, and you get the actual answer 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is going to be equal to 2 by 4, but it's going to be in a much you can actually call it like it's going to be smaller, right? It's going to be what's the word I'm trying to look for? It's going to be compact. Yeah, it's going to be compact. Now let's actually try to do a actual number. Again, 10 divided by 110. Now let's actually try to find out how you're going to reduce this. First of all, you need to break both of them down. Now, can you break 10 down? Of course you can. You can say 5 times 2 is equal to 10. What about 110? Right? You can say that, okay, it can be equal to, let's say it's 11 times 10. Yes, 11 times 10 is equal to 110, right? So, let's say you want to even break it down even further, right? We have 10 over here. We can break 10 down. You can say it is equal to 5 by 2. And what do you do then? You cancel them out. And Mr. Cat is going to help us out with that. And we are done. We're going to say the answer is 1 over 11. It's going to be in its lowest form. Why? Because we have cancelled out all the numbers. And you can actually say that at the end they just become prime numbers. I forgot if 1 is actually a prime number or not, but 11 surely is a prime number. So that is all there is to reducing fractions. And I really hope you learned something.